1. Install the guide rollers. Install the guide rollers at the positions where the screws were originally fixed on the corona frame. 2. Grounding. Connect the first ground wire between the generator and the frame. The second ground wire can be connected either to the generator or to the frame. Please ensure proper grounding. 3. Connect the high voltage wires. Use ceramic moisture-proof connectors to connect the generator and the frame. 4. Connect the Hall switch. Fix the magnet end to the guide roller. Insert and tighten the plug end into the generator. When the Hall switch detects that the guide roller has stopped rotating, the generator will trigger an alarm and automatically shut down. For safety, the system must be restarted manually. 5. Connect the power supply. The 200 hours generator uses a 220 volts power supply. The plug can be replaced as needed. 6. Insert the sample. Open the side latch of the corona frame. Pass the sample correctly through the guide roller and the silicone rollers. Then close the corona frame securely. 7. Start the generator. Turn on the generator's power and it will enter standby mode. Rotate the power knob counterclockwise to the minimum setting. Then press the green run button. The corona frame will discharge corona sparks. As the sample moves, slowly adjust the power knob to the desired setting. 8. Test the sample. Use Dyne Test liquid or a Dyne Test pen to compare the effect of corona treatment before and after in order to determine the required power level.